I'm going to show you how to make snowflakes from paper. So you will need a plate, some paper, you can have different colours if you like, a pen or pencil, and some scissors. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of paper. I'm going to put them all together like this, and then take my plate, put it on the paper, and then with my pen or pencil draw a circle around the plate. So it should look like this. Then take your scissors and cut carefully. You might need an adult to help you around the circle. There we go. And because I put my 4 pieces of paper together, I now have 4 circles to make 4 snowflakes. So, to make a snowflake, take your circle, fold it in half, and then in half again. And if you like, but you don't have to, you can even fold it in half one more time. There, so it looks like this. Then you take your scissors again and you cut little pieces out so when you've cut all the shapes, it looks a bit strange, something like that. But then, when you open it up, you have a snowflake. That's all from me for now, so